Good morning. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a AWS free type account in AWS Management Console. Now you can take any of the browser and search for AWS Management Console and take the first hyperlink. So in the right hand side, you can find the option to create a new AWS account. Click on create an AWS account. So the first step is that you need to verify your email address. Provide your email address and account name. So account name, just to provide your account name as your name. So now click on verify email address. So there is a verification code sent to your email ID. Just to go to your email and take a verification. So now you can check it that there is a verification code sent. So copy the verification code and verify now. So your email address is verified successfully. Now provide the password. So the password should contain uppercase, lowercase, numbers and characters. Now keep the confirm password. So we are completing the first step now. So now, so the second step is that to provide the billing details. So that is you need to provide your personal details like full name, country code, address and postal code. So let me take this AWS account for personal use. Provide a full name here. So followed by your mobile number and the country code India. So address you can keep anything. I'm just making it as Guntur. So state Andhra Pradesh postal code. Okay, so let me agree these conditions and click on next. So okay, so this is most important step. We have to confirm the billing information. So you have to provide the debit or credit card numbers. So just I am giving some duplicate numbers now. So followed by expiration date and month. So followed by year. Then you provide the security code. All I just use only duplicate numbers just to provide the cardholder name. Then followed by you have to provide your PAN card number also. So just to provide the PAN card number, just I am using just dummy numbers. So now you have to click on verify and continue. After keeping your card details, there is a verification mail OTP sent to your mobile. Just to keep that OTP. So now click for payment. So it will deduct actually 2 rupees. Those 2 rupees for the account validation only. Within 2 or 3 working days, you will get that money back. Just to click for payment. Here important thing is that whenever you are doing the payment, make sure that international transaction to be enabled in your mobile app. So now we have completed the setup. Now the fourth step is that I need to confirm my identity. So I can choose the option as uh, confirm your identity with personal use, the ownership uses individual, and you have to provide any of these documents, PAN card, voter ID, driving license or passport for the verification. So you can keep any one identity proof as the number. For just I am giving some dummy data now. Just to provide your PAN card numbers and click on your name. Just upload your PAN card as proof, then click for consent, then continue. After that, in the same fourth step, we have to verify your mobile number. So I can keep my mobile number for verification. So now send a SMS. Submit the verification code, and so code will send to your registered mobile number. Now continue for step number 5. So okay, so there are three options is there. Whether I want to create a free tier account or a developer account, we will go ahead with a basic support free tier account. Now click on complete sign up. Successfully we have created the AWS account. So let me tell you how to open the AWS management console. Either you can click directly here, otherwise just to go for AWS management console, click the first link, and now I am going to sign into the console. Click on sign in option. So okay, now it is directly log into your AWS free tab account. So let me sign out and do the process again. So you can search for AWS management console, take the first hyperlink. Now sign into the AWS console. So here you have two different options. Like one is for root user, another one is for the IAM user. Let me take the root user because we created the user with a uh, created a user for root. Click on this option, root user email. So provide the email address. So now give the password. So it is asking you to go for multi-factor authentication. Actually, this is mandatory step, but right now there is a skip option available. Now I just go for skip for now. It will directly log into your AWS console. So let me tell you how to verify whether you can able to use the services or not. Check it with few service called AWS EC2. Now you can see that I can able to create any number of instance here. So here, if you want to verify your build cycle, go to this account in the right corner, go to this bills and cost management. And here you can able to check your monthly bills. Click on bills and you can verify your bill cycles. So right now I am not using anything. So initially So I'm getting the estimated grand total as $0. Thank you. That's it for the installation. Thank you.